Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to view the accessories. In order to control devices connected to automation interfaces of touch panel, it must be added as an accessory in the programming interface. Core 4.0 operating system allows to control many different types of accessories related to different automation interfaces simultaneously on a single platform. In this way, the user experiences smooth smart home control experience. You can add many different types of accessories for the control of smart devices on touch panel. You can add accessories by clicking on the Accessories tab and clicking the plus button. The information to be entered varies according to the type of driver and accessory. Accessory-based detailed information are explained in Supported Device Types section. In the first step, enter information such as the name of the accessory, room, the driver it is connected to, whether it is a favorite device, and whether the device will appear in the user interface or not. You can display the accessories that user will use frequently on the dashboard of touch panel user interface. For this, mark accessory as favorite, then enable Favorite Devices widget. This will allow you to display favorite accessory in the Favorite Devices widget in the dashboard. In some cases, you may want the accessory you added to be invisible in the user interface. In particular, you can mark as invisible the devices that you do not want the user's intervention to be controlled by scenes of automation triggers. In the second step, select the type of the accessory and its icon. For some accessory types, the category to be displayed in the user interface is also selected. Accessory types vary by driver. In the third step, you need to enter the necessary variables of the accessory according to the selected driver and accessory type. You can edit the accessory information from the marked icon. You can delete from this icon. You can copy an accessory you have added before along with the information in it. After copying from the marked icon, you need to update the data in this accessory to control another load. Copy an accessory will help you quickly add accessories, especially on devices connected to KNX systems. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.